everyone, it's time to dust off your peace symbols, your love beads, and your tie-dyes because Woodstock 2018 is coming up. And just to make sure that you're going to be in the know and you're going to know all the do's and don'ts, we have two board members from the Baby Boomer Club today that are going to tell us what we can expect and some of the things that we need to know about. We have Kathy Gaskins. Hi, Kathy. And Pamela Ellerman. Hi, Pamela.
Hi.
So Kathy, please tell us, just the top notes of Woodstock. When is it? You know, what do we need to know? Some things about transportation.
Yeah, it's going to be on July 28th, which is a Saturday. It's right at Clubhouse 2. People can start setting up at 7 a.m. if they want to bring their chairs and their pop-ups.
Okay.
There's no barbecues allowed.
Okay.
And we also don't want pets or children.
Right.
Because it's an adult event.
So setup, when you say setup, would that be like a tarp and some chairs?
They can do a pop-up for the sun.
Okay, like a tent.
And some chairs.
Okay.
And if they have any little tables, put their food on, that kind of thing. It's kind of a little picnic.
Yes.
Everyone's having their own little picnic.
Right.
So
but bring everything.
They can come. It is a BYOE.
Okay.
Definitely.
Okay.
Although we are going to have food provided for purchase.
Okay.
The 19 restaurant, Tony, he's cooked for us for many years now, and he usually has hamburgers, chicken, things like that for purchase.
So now we've set up as early as 7 a.m. When can we come back? And when do we come in?
Anytime.
Oh, okay.
The entrance gate will be opened at 8 a.m.
Okay.
And that's where you can get your wristband if you haven't purchased them.
Okay.
And there'll be plenty, so people don't have to worry. But if they are, come right at 8 a.m. and get it early.
Okay, now how do we get a wristband? Do we have to be a member somewhere?
No, on the day of the event, it's open to the residents of the whole village.
Okay.
So you don't have to be a Baby Boomer member to come or to buy a wristband.
All right, well that's important to know. We don't have to be a member of the Baby Boomer Club. We can just be a member of the village community. Oh, great. Okay, good.
And they can bring guests.
Yes,
and
the more the merrier.
Oh, that's great. Okay, so there's no limit as to how many people you can bring with you.
No, if you're a resident of Laguna Woods, then you could just call in your guests at the gate. And parking gets a little tight.
Okay.
So we're going to have a drop-off point right by the front entrance gate. People can drop off their coolers and chairs and everything.
Okay.
And then if there's no parking up here by the clubhouse, we usually go and park at Clubhouse 7. And you can just cross the street and come on over.
And I think you probably need to explain, now I don't know, is that your thing, the transportation, Pamela, or would you, to help us understand how to take a bus?
Oh,
how do we get here with a bus?
If you didn't want to drive,
right,
and you wanted to, you can take the bus. You would just call the bus line for Laguna Woods, and they would have all the information for you as to coming to Woodstock.
So plan a ride.
Plan a ride, and then they'll pick you up and then take you back home after the event.
So you can enjoy yourself and not have to worry, you know,
Exactly.
and you can have a good time, maybe have something to drink or whatever, and they can take you home safely, and you don't have to worry about any of that. So it's plan a ride. But if you're not used to taking the bus, do it in advance. Get this planned and scheduled in advance so that you're not having to do it the day of.
Yeah, definitely call ahead to transportation. Let them know what event you want to attend, the times you wanted to come and go, and they can advise you, and they'll be right on time to get you there home safe.
Yeah, absolutely. Now we had a fairly good sized group last year, and I understand there's a lot of interest this year. What are we looking for?
Oh, there'll be a big crowd. There always is a big crowd, but it's, you know, a very mellow crowd.
Yes.
Everyone's into their peace and love. So even though it's crowded, it's like everybody's at the love fest. So it's a lot of fun, and people are really welcoming. If you're new or they don't know you, it doesn't matter. They want to talk to you. They want to dance, and so everyone has fun.
Which brings us to how many bands?
4.
Four bands?
Four bands.
How can that be? When are they starting? That's
so
great.
So at 2 o'clock we start our hootenanny, and that'll be inside the clubhouse in the AC. So it'll be the hottest part of the day, but you can sit in the AC and listen to folk music. From the village folk, and you know the first day of Woodstock was folk music, so that's why we're having it. And then at 3 o'clock we start with Dutch of Fizz, which is a local band. He'll kick off the rock and roll, And then we have Full Spectrum, and then we have LSD, Love Saves the Day, with Ruby K.
Oh, I remember her from
yeah,
last time.
yeah.
She was really good.
Yes, yeah,
she
everybody
is.
was up and dancing. It
Yeah,
was great.
yeah. So that's our lineup, and so yeah, we have 4
super.
musical groups.
Super. Oh, that's
So
wonderful.
it starts at 2 and the music ends at 8:30, right?
8:30, yeah.
Now, is there a shutdown time, or are you just
9 o'clock, we're pretty much cleaning up, packing
Okay.
up. People are all beginning to pack up their stuff and
Sure.
leave. So pretty much by 9 o'clock. By 9:30, everyone's gone.
Really? Wow.
Except for the staff that's very good about taking down the stages
Yes,
and doing
sure.
their work.
Oh, wow.
So it's
Oh, that's great. But
it's over quick.
It's over quick. Yeah,
You
oh,
don't
too
wanna miss
soon.
anything.
That's too soon. That's true. Wow, that's great. Well, now I hate to bring this up, but what if there was maybe inclement weather or something like that? Would we all move into? That's happened in the past, hasn't it? You had to move into the clubhouse. So
Well, the only time we've had to be in a clubhouse was the year this Clubhouse 2 was being remodeled.
okay.
Otherwise, it's never rained.
Wow.
Yeah, because California summers are generally very dry. We do expect it to be very hot,
Yes.
so we always make sure we have ice water for everybody. We have 2 water stations.
Okay, good.
And there's ice here in the clubhouse, so if they need some cooling off, and we keep this the ballroom of the Clubhouse 2 open the whole day and air conditioned, and we have tables and chairs set up. So people can cool off if they
That's
need
great.
to.
That's
Because some
great.
years it's been terribly hot. Last year it was just perfect.
Yeah.
It
It
was.
was just beautiful.
It
It
was
was like
all
80
day.
degrees and perfect.
It was all
Yeah,
day.
so-
Now, do you have some little things that we can do? Face painting? Are
Yeah.
there other activities that people
Yeah,
can do?
we'll have 2 face painters.
2.
Well, there's such a demand for it.
Yes.
And I've even been in touch with them and told them we're starting earlier. So they'll be coming a little earlier too.
Okay.
To do everybody.
Okay.
Yeah, there's a crowd for that.
Oh, there is. There were a couple of guys that I spoke to last year. The one guy was really proud of the little mermaid that he had painted on his leg. And I thought, wow, that probably took a while.
Yeah, they're really good. They're a lot of fun. So
Wow.
that's something the club does for free.
Yes.
If you come.
Well, that's a great activity too,
Yeah.
and people wear their love beads, and the whole. I mean, I know some people plan all year for this.
Yeah,
you
they have
know,
their costume
wigs and-
all ready.
Yes, boy, this is serious stuff. So
Yeah.
this is the 9th time that we've held it here,
Right.
And next year is going to be what?
10th.
Because Woodstock has what anniversary?
The 50th,
50th of the
Yeah.
historical
Right.
Woodstock, the original Woodstock. Wow, can you
yeah.
believe it?
I know. So next year will even be more exciting because it'll be the 10-year.
Yes,
So.
and what is also cool is we have some folks here that were
Yes.
at David Deering, I know, and others
Yes,
who
yeah.
have been at the original
Yes.
Woodstock.
We
and-
have someone on our board, Nadine Ash.
Is that right?
She was at Woodstock.
And what great stories they tell
Yeah.
about being there
Yeah,
for that
they do.
event. That's really amazing.
They do.
Wow. Well, can you think of anything else that we need to know, need to be thinking about right up to the day?
No, but for tickets purchased, we only take check or cash. We don't have the ability to use a charge card. So some people get a little disappointed when they were planning to put it on their plastic. So when they come to buy their wristband that day, they should have a check or cash. It's $15 per person. It doesn't matter if you're a member or a guest. It's
Right.
the same for everybody.
Okay.
So
Okay.
that would be an important
Yes.
point.
Right.
I don't want anybody disappointed because
No.
they just brought their charge card because
Sure.
we're kind of a cashless society now.
We are. We are. I
So,
know. That's true. That's
Yeah.
true. Well, that's good to know. Well,
And if you're a baby boomer, you can buy pre-sale
Yeah.
at our next event, which is on the 7th, our social. So, and if you're not a member, you can join that night.
Mhm.
And get your ticket ahead of time.
Yeah, and all that information is on our website.
okay.
So if they click on it,
Yes.
they'll see things that are going on in the club. There's also numbers and emails where they can ask their
Right,
questions.
right, and the countdown clock is on your
Yeah, it
website too.
is.
It's so cool. Well, we wonder how people thrive in Laguna Woods, and this is one of our Thrive episodes right here,
Mm-hmm.
because I mean, there is no more fun way to thrive than to go to the Woodstock event,
For
baby
sure.
boomer or not. Please
Right.
come to the Woodstock event.
Doesn't
And-
matter. There's no
and
age discrimination.
None at all. You'll just have a good time, be mellow, be there with your friends and neighbors, and have a great time. So
Yeah.
thank you for letting us know all about it. I think we're really in the know now. We're very informed, and we're all going to be there, and we'll all be dancing up until 9 o'clock.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Okay,
Thank you so
Cindy.
much.
Uh-huh.
Thank you. Thank you. If you want to know more about the Baby Boomer Club, please go to the website that we're showing on our screen right now. And if you want to know more about the Thrive Initiative, please tune in to the Thrive Project show on Thursday mornings on Village Television at 9:30, or go to the Thrive website, which we're also showing on our screen right now. Thanks so much.